best things we do here at North Atlanta Hair Restoration is really look at the full picture. Sometimes patients come in and they have a huge canvas to fill and have huge goals of getting great coverage on their head, but their donor site just doesn't have enough hair to do it safely to where the donor site is not thinned out, because we do not want a thin donor site. One thing that we provide is actually using beard and body hair to complement what we're doing as far as extracting from the donor site. Now keep in mind, the donor site is like a bank account, and oftentimes the donor site is just not sufficient. It's like having a bank account that's just not sufficient, but we have options. And one thing is to tap into another bank account, which would be the beard. So oftentimes, especially when I do a consultation, patients will have a hair loss from the front of the hairline all the way back into the crown. And automatically in my mind, I'm thinking we need to start talking about using beard right from the start and incorporate that into the hair transplant plan. Now, there are many patients that have a donor site that's unbelievable. It's dense and it's big, it's long, it's wide, but there are a lot of patients that have a smaller donor site and it's not as dense. So to get full coverage, using the beard allows us to do an appropriate amount without thinning it out and get the great qualities of the beard, which is leaves no facial scarring. It heals almost immediately, literally within about 1 or 2 days, as if nothing happened. It's extremely easy to do. The numbing is easy, and the density and the thickness of the beard hair, when mixed in with head hair, actually gives the impression of doing even more grafts. In fact, recent studies show that one beard hair actually has double the volume of one head follicle on average. So when you say move a proportion, we generally will do like a 3-to-1 or a 4-to-1 proportion. Let's say we do 500 from the beard and 2,000 from the head to get 2,500. It's literally like getting 2,700 grafts because of the added volume from the beard. We'd love to speak with you about shaveless FUE. It's something we're passionate about and definitely can deliver on.